the learners. Good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform Moodle at l'University University of Lidetu. Today we are going to present our fourth lecture titled The Data Science. So I have divided my fourth lecture into the following four elements as follows. What is data science? What are subsets of data science? Language activities, how to use receive the title of, and finally our assessment, quizzes, tests, and the exams. So what does data science mean, or what is data science? Data science can be explained as the science that deals with the identification, representation, and extraction of needful and meaningful information from a pool of data that are useful for the further growth of the business. So, what are the subset of data science? The different subset of data science includes data analyst, data architect, and finally data engineer. Third element, language activities. So how to use receive the title of. Receive the title of refers to accepting of a new title or designation. Especially in a corporate company, the phrase receive the title of is very important to understand. When use it to refer to moving up in a company. Here are few sentences that help you in deciding on how you can use the phrase to in your daily life. For examples, Attaf received the title of CDSO in his company. Amin received the title of Chief Actuary Officer in his business. And finally, Mustafa was very excited to receive the title of web developer in a new company and at Diyar al-Bahri. Finally, and please learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, quizzes, tests, exams. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.